Good morning guys, it's been a long time with no videos on my channel. Of course, because of the situation in the world, it was almost impossible to travel somewhere, but finally we escaped to amazing Sri Lanka. Look at this, it's so amazing. To get here was not as easy as before, but it was manageable. All you need is to book a hotel from the list of the approved hotels by government, and then they provide you also mandatory insurance, COVID insurance, and also PCR tests in Sri Lanka. Once you got booked hotel, you can apply for visas online through the website of the Sri Lankan immigration, and it took around 5 days to get them. It was a little bit longer than usual, but we got them, and after that we booked the flights through Emirates live chat. For our stay in Sri Lanka, we chose inside resort Ahangama because there are not so many hotels on the list that have like private beach like this, and during the quarantine that is mandatory for 14 days, you cannot leave the area of the hotel, so all you can use is inside of the hotel. So in inside resort they have a pool, they have spa, they have beach where you can also surf in front, so it's really amazing here. And of course they have very good reviews, they have good food, and actually everything is very good here. So now that you know that you can escape to Sri Lanka, your country lockdowns and actually boredom, you can enjoy your stay in inside resort in Ahangama. It's really amazing. I made also a short video of our stay here, so now let's watch it, enjoy it, and see you in the next video.